you ever felt like life is just too loud? Not just the sound of traffic or the ping of notifications, but the internal noise, the constant shoulds and must haves that clutter our minds. Today, I want to take you on a drive. No destination, no rush, just us, the road, and a conversation about what it actually means to live more simply. Because simplicity isn't just about owning fewer things, it's about making room for what actually matters. We're often told that more is the answer. More productivity, more clothes, more square footage. But as the landscape changes outside this window, I'm reminded that nature doesn't hurry. And yet, everything always gets accomplished. To live simply, we first have to unlearn the idea that our worth is tied to our output. It starts with a single question: what can I let go of today to feel lighter tomorrow? Maybe it's an old habit, or a physical object, or even a digital distraction. Simplicity is personal. For me, it's about finding my enough. It's that point where you have exactly what you need to be comfortable, but not so much that you're burdened by the maintenance of it all. Think about your morning. Does it feel like a race or a ritual? When we simplify our schedules, we aren't just saving time, we're reclaiming our peace. We're giving ourselves permission to look out of the window and just be. The most profound parts of life are often the simplest. A warm cup of tea, the way the light hits the trees, a long drive with a good melody. When we clear the clutter, both in our homes and our heads, these moments really start to shine. I don't think simplicity is not a destination you reach. It's a way of travelling. It's choosing quality over quantity, presence over pressure. As we drive, I want to leave you with one thought. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. Just start where you are. Breathe. Look around. And remember that the best things in life aren't things at all. Thank you for driving with me today. And if you'd like more videos like this, come on over to the quiet corner on my Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description. Enjoy the rest of the drive.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming.